Hey y'all, welcome to the Bonnie B channel where you get a dope virtual experience. So today we are doing some self-care things. Yes. So I like to choose one day out of the week, which is usually a Sunday, to do all my self-care things. Today I'm going to show you some things that you can do, some products you can use until you can get to your local esthetician, which you should see at least once a month, because there's things that we cannot do at home that need to be done by a professional. So if you're interested in these goodies I'm about to show you and show you how to use them, stay tuned. Okay guys, so here I'm using my Nano Ionic facial steamer, and I will put the link down below just in case you want to get it. But this process is very soothing. So I am just taking everything in, steaming my face, and taking some deep breaths while I do it. I am opening up the pores so that it's easy to get in there and deep cleanse, and also do any extractions later, you know, getting the blackheads out and things like that. So yeah, that's what this part is. Now we're going to take our Dermalogica cleanser. This is a gentle cleanser, and then we're going to take our brush and we're going to put the facial cleanser on the brush and then go ahead and put that into the skin. So, oh yeah, I'm having a little trouble here, but you know. So you're just going to massage that into the skin and just really get it in there. Once you apply the cleanser, you're going to take your brush and you're just going to start using that as an exfoliant. So you're just going to scrub all over the face and the creases in your chin, on the sides of your nose, on top of your nose. Don't want to forget the forehead, your temples. And I've been breaking out a lot lately, so I'm just trying to get everywhere. And don't forget the neck. The neck is also a very important part of the face. So once you're done with that, you want to dip your rag in some water and just pat dry. And I like my towel to be warm and just take that all in, because I want this to be a self-care moment. I'm relaxing. It's Sunday. I'm prepping for the rest of my week. So yeah, we're just trying to get the job done. Next, we're going to take our scrubber, and this is what I use to get the blackheads out and any dirt in my pores, basically from putting on makeup, being out in the environment. Your pores get clogged and you have to get that gunk out. I haven't done a deep cleansing in a really long time, so unfortunately my nose is full of this gunk that I need to get out, and it is so disgusting. Not only that, like, the more you do it, it gets a little painful. My nose is definitely getting red, but I want these blackheads out my nose because I just cannot take it anymore. This could be good for me. Lately I was feeling like I need a purpose. There are other tools that you can use for this method. There's actually some tools that come with the facial steamer. Also, the headband that I have on in this video came with the facial steamer. Then I'm going on my face also because I have like some pores on my face that are clogged in my cheeks and on my chin. So I am just trying to get in there deep with this thing. Okay, so now I'm going to take another cleanser because I had so much buildup in my skin that I just felt like I needed to go back in and just do another cleanse. My skin was feeling really gunky, so I'm going back in with this cleanser, and I'm just going to go in and massage that into my pores. My face is really red, and I just want to clean it to the best of my ability. So yes, massage, massage, massage. Get those serums, cleansers, or whatever you're using on your face into the skin. Then go ahead and clean that off again. Damp dry. And let's take a look at my skin. All right, and now let's get into the goodies. So I am going to be using a vitamin C jelly mask, and this is going to help heal my skin, brighten my skin, and help me get a even skin tone. So it smells so good. This is a professional product, so you cannot get this item unless you have a license, unless you're a licensed esthetician. But there are other things that you can use, like sheet mask, if you're not a licensed professional, or you can go to Target and they have a whole bunch of masks. You can use a mud mask. My daughter's trying to help me here. And this is very soothing. My face was red, and now we're just gonna wait. So now that it is firm, it is ready to come off, and my daughter likes to be a part of everything, so I'm having her pull my mask off. Now you can pull this all off in one setting, but you know, we're having mommy-daughter time, so she's helping me. She loves to help when it comes to all the skincare and beauty things that I do. So the mask needs to sit for about 8 to 10 minutes to fully firm up so that you can peel it off. And then you're going to take a warm rag and just wipe over your face to get any excess mask off. Then we're going to get into our vitamin C brightener booster. This has watermelon and green tea. You're going to put that all over your face because I just love vitamin C. Vitamin C brightens the skin and it just helps heal the skin. And I try to put vitamin C on my skin at least every day. So we are going to just rub that in. And then we're going to use our Grown Acclimist. And this is a BoxyCharm Beauty. Also, the vitamin C was BoxyCharm too. So this is a moisturizer. And you're going to take this moisturizer and you're going to put this on because you should be putting moisturizer on every single day. Every day you should put on moisturizer and some sunscreen or moisturizer that has sunscreen in it. You also want to make sure you're putting a serum or something like that on your skin at night before you go to bed. And we're just going to rub that in. And as you can see, my skin is already looking clear. I mean, we have a long ways to go with this breakout that I'm having on my forehead and on the sides of my face, but overall my skin is looking a lot better than it did. Now let's get into eye cream. Eye cream is also another important step that you don't want to forget. So this is another BoxyCharm goodie. Yes, if you did not see my BoxyCharm video, please go back and watch it. This is the Pharmacy Eye Cream, and it's in cherry. And this helps brightens underneath the eyes if you have darkness. As you can see, I do have some darkness. I've always had puffy eyes, but this does help depuff my puffiness. So I wear this or other brands every day. And we cannot forget to moisturize our lips. This is the Laneige Sleep Lip Mask. But I wear this to sleep or I wear it during the day. It really doesn't matter for me. I just love it. So if you're interested in trying this, I will also put the link down below. Then we're going to take our Olay Hydrating Mist and we are just going to mist our face up because this is like sealing everything in and just giving us a glow and making us feel refreshed. And that is it, y'all. So that is it. There will be a link in the bottom for some of these products. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go relax now and let all these goodies marinate. All right, bye.